Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you exactly how to add admin comments to your Roblox game in 2025 so you can control your game, play roles and have fun with your friends. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first open Roblox Studio. As you can see, we're already opening it and load up the game, and you want to add admin comments too. Make sure you have saved backup just in case. It is always smart to have one. So you just need to add admin command script. The easiest way to add admin command is by using a free mobile like HD admin, one of the most popular and trusted admin command pack on Roblox. To add it, you just need to click to the view and then open the toolbox. So let's say we are going to work on this. So I'll click this one and it will take a couple of minutes to setting up the server. Then I will connect it and then eventually we will get the option. So when it will become over that place, then here actually you just need to click on transform, or you can select this one. There is a couple of options you have. So from that place you just need to click on toolbox. You can search any toolbox in here. So now you just need to click onto the view. Here you can see this is the view, and from this view you just need to click on toolbox. So let's find it out. What is the toolbox? So here you can see toolbox already been selected. So let's increase that left sidebar, and here you just need to search admin, and you will find out this admin commands or admin whatever. So from that place you just need to select any of them, and then you just need to place it here. You just need to click OK, and you can see it already been placed in that place. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand it, this one. So I am going to make it more visible. So open the HD admin folder. Inside, find the setting script and open it to look at the admin sections. Here you can add your Roblox username and make yourself an admin. You can also add friends username if you want them to have admin powers too. Now click play to test your game and type CMD in the chat to see the list of commands. You will have options like kick, fly, no clip and many more. And that's it. You now have admin commands in your Roblox game for 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comment what other Roblox tutorials give you want next. Thanks for watching. I will show you next one.